Starting from 2018, UAE made a huge changes in the country and actually implemented a totally different law in regards of the taxes. So I think this tax changes will cause on the business market in general. What do you think?
Of course, I mean, being a tax agent in UAE, we believe that the tax introduction will impact and change the corporate life and responsibility with the introduction of taxation.
Yeah. Now, every company, every business establishment has to make adjustment and actually to be tax compliant. I don't believe so everybody understands the full meaning of the word tax compliance for the company. And the most dangerous part is that these obligations are continuous.
Yes, true. Actually, this is to be tax compliance. Actually, one thing we believe in the taxation and also in the businesses, they should first understand what taxation means. They have to bring the knowledge, the skills as a business owner. You may not need to be an expert in taxation, but the more knowledge that you develop about the tax, introduction of a new terminology, and new words, will help you to be more in compliance. So first thing we recommend, develop your skills and develop yourself.
Yeah, this advice is for anyone who is in the business, being the manager of the company, being the owner or the person who holds any right about the business will put you in the serious position right now. Even being an accountant is the very important and really dangerous thing right now if you don't know what the tax rules are.
Yes, I mean, this is very important. Now, the challenge we have about that, especially, first of all, it's a new law. It's something new the country and the business people are facing. So this is important that, especially the accountant, that challenges of it, you have to evaluate every transaction. And the person who is actually the most important person to ensure that you're tax compliant is your accountant.
Yeah.
So you have to really work with him, you have to educate him. Please help him to ask questions. It's one of the things we face.
Yeah. Also, I believe so, people need to understand that we have a new position in the accounting field, in the legal field, is a legal representative of the company. I believe so. If you already make a registration for VAT of your company, you already know who is a legal person to be a representative of the company. But what is his role? What is his duties? What are his obligations? This is the most important part to understand right now when you are going to do a reporting.
Yes, actually the tax representative, or she, along with the owners of the companies, they are responsible for all the taxation obligation of the company. And he's the person or she's the person actually will be answerable or questioned about any non-compliance of the company. So they need to know, as a tax representative, legal representative, what is the company doing to be sure they are in compliance. So it's very, very responsible position and role.
I believe so we can directly put the highlight that legal representative can be the manager of the company, appointed person who has the right to represent the company, or also a tax agent
yes, that's true.
Who will be little bit aside of the business, but he will know how to play the game in the right way.
Yes, the challenge here for the legal representatives, actually, they are accountable. Let's use this word here. So you have to be ready to answer questions to the authorities in case you're getting a question. And I can guarantee you, sometime or another, you will be asked to be sure you're in compliance or you actually know how to address these questions. We highly recommend to appoint a tax agent to help you to take this authority. As the tax agent is licensed by the FTA, they're actually the only people licensed by the FTA who actually can play that role along with the legal representative.
Yeah. So, arrange your company. Be sure that your company is tax compliant. arrange following adjustment in the company from two perspectives, legal and tax accounting perspective. And always take care that your business is on the safe side of the law and tax regulations.
Thank you very much, and I think that's we wish you very best luck during. And remember, tax, it's here and it's going to continue.